Answer to the question of the day. Before we find solution to this problem, that's the question of the day, we have to recall the question. The question is this. A liquid of mass 1.0 times 10 raised to power 3 kilogram fills a rectangular tank of length 2.5 meters and width 2.0 meters. If the tank is 4.0 meters high, what is the pressure at the middle of the tank? Acceleration due to gravity is equal to 10 meters per second square. Then the options are A, 1.0 times 10 raised to power 4 Newton per meter square, B, 2.0 times 10 raised to power 3 Newton per meter square, C, 1.5 times 10 raised to power 3 Newton per meter square, and D, 1.0 times 10 raised to power 3 Newton per meter square. The answer. The pressure of the liquid at the middle of the tank is pressure P is given by the depth times the density of the liquid times acceleration due to gravity. At the middle of the tank, the depth edge will give us 4/2. That's the total height of the tank. Divided by 2. That will give us 2 meters. Now let's consider the density of the liquid. Density of liquid will give us the mass divided by the volume of the liquid. We are told that the liquid has a mass of m, then the volume is the length times the breadth times the height. The breadth is the same thing as the width. So the density of the liquid is given by the mass 1000 divided by the length 2, the breadth 2, then the height 2. Length is 2.5, the breadth or the weight is 2, and the depth or the height is 2. So when we put in the values, we end up getting 1000 divided by 10. That will give us 100 kilogram per meter cube. Acceleration due to gravity is given as 10 meter per second square. With all these informations, we can now get pressure at the middle of the tank. Pressure at the middle is P, which is equal to the depth times the density times acceleration due to gravity. So this will give us 2 times 100, that's the density times 10. This will give us 2000. That's pressure, Newton per meter square. And this is the same thing as 2 times 10 raised to power 3 Newton per meter square. Option B is correct. Option B is correct.